Hi there, I'm Jules from Stone Soup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Malaysian golden egg curry. I've got my pan heating up on a medium-high heat. So I'm just going to get a bit of oil in the pan. You can use anything. If you've got coconut oil, that'll be lovely. I'm just using some neutral flavored olive oil. And then I'm going to cook my cabbage in. So this is just a quarter of a large cabbage. I've just shredded it, just sliced it with a knife. It doesn't have to be super fine. And then we're going to put the lid on and just cook it for about 5 minutes, maybe about 10 minutes until the cabbage is nice and soft. So stir every few minutes. Great, so I've stirred the cabbage a couple of times. You just really want it to soften. And I should have mentioned earlier, I should have added a pinch of salt in. That helps it soften and seasons the cabbage, makes it taste better. So we're going to get this off the heat and divide the cabbage between our serving bowls. So the cabbage is, if you like, this has still got a bit of crunch to it, and I'm happy with it like that. But if you like, a more softer cabbage experience, you can always just cook it down a little bit longer. Just get that back on the heat. You don't have to get every last scrap of cabbage out. Doesn't matter if some cooks in a little bit longer. And then I've got a can of coconut. I'm actually using coconut cream because I like the extra fat, but you can use coconut milk if you prefer that. And then some curry powder. So I'm going to use 3 teaspoons. This is actually a curry powder I made myself, but any good quality curry powder is going to work. You just might need to adjust the level so it suits your taste. And then I'm going to use some fish sauce to season. So you could use soy if you don't have fish sauce. Fish sauce it's a bit slightly different flavor profile, pretty similar to soy. So a tablespoon of fish sauce, and then we want 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Actually, I've already measured that out, so it's 2 tablespoons. Great. And then just give it a good stir and have a little taste. So just going to bring that up to a simmer, and then we're going to get our eggs in quickly. So I'm doing 4 eggs, so 2 eggs each. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to set my timer for 3 minutes because we want the eggs to be poached. And if it goes off the boil, just pop the heat. Oh, actually that's pretty good. So probably about a medium heat, 3 minutes. And so you just want the whites to be set, but the eggs to be still a little bit runny. Okay, so when the eggs are cooked, I'm just going to divide them between my serving bowls and the sauce, and then I'm going to finish it all with a little bit of fresh coriander. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and if you sign up for weekly email updates, you'll get a free e-cookbook for simple dinner ideas just like this one.